Hello YouTube. Just want to show you my little game that I was working on last night and kind of today. Um, it's called Ping, and the reason why I'm starting on this game is because I'm getting a little bit bored of constantly working with music. In case you don't know what that means, kind of getting bored of working with Beat Tapper. Because sometimes it just gets really complicated trying to do beat detection and all that not so fun stuff. So, the game's called Ping, and unlike Pong, there's actually 4 paddles, and you're playing by yourself. Sorry, trying to speak over the music. But, the goal is instead of trying to get it out of the screen, you gotta try to juggle it, so I would say, around the screen. So all paddles are controlled by your mouse. The top and bottom are controlled by the x-axis, and the left and right are controlled by the y-axis of your your mouse. And basically, as I said, you're just bouncing the ball back and forth off the paddles. And if it goes off the screen, like that, it'll show you your score, and then you can replay by pressing enter. Now, the score, as you can see, it's going up even though nothing's happening. Well, the way the score works, which I think is pretty neat because it's not really like how I was originally going to do it, but instead of each time it bounces off a paddle it increases the score increases by speed of the ball. So basically every 500 milliseconds, or every half a second, the score will increase by the ball's x speed times the y speed. So basically when you're playing this game, you gotta take into consideration whether or not you want to try to get a high score really fast, or you want to try to stay low and try kind of rack up your score, but it'll take a little bit longer. Now, as you can see, the ball turned red. What this means is the ball's speed is maxed out. But why did it just turn white and red? Well, basically, the ball has a max X speed and a max Y speed. If the Y speed is max, the bottom part will start the redden out. If the X coordinate is maxed, or the X speed is maxed out, it'll do the top half. So basically, when it's all red, you maxed out both speeds, which means that you're basically getting the highest score that you can possibly get in this time frame. Now, unfortunately, it's not shown in this build because I'm trying to figure out a way to do it. But you can have multiple balls on the screen. I'm just trying to figure out how to throw in another ball without completely throwing off the game. So I'm gonna turn off this webcam, start up another, and just play it.